This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce websites to mobile apps. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS applications. Get 30% off by being first 200 sign up. Get the link in the description.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Educate WordPress, where we talk everything about WordPress, and today we're going to add scroll snap to our WordPress website. Now let me give you a brief introduction on what we're trying to accomplish and how will scroll snap help us. Now we are here on our website, and maybe I have created a design that fills the entire viewport that I really want the user to see in its entirety. Or maybe I just want the user to pay attention to every section as he goes through. But normally when we scroll down, these just go away. Like, I can just do this and the entire page would go away. All of the design created was never viewed. So to tackle that problem, we use scroll snap. So let's add scroll snap to our WordPress website. For that, we're going to need Elementor Pro, since the scroll snap is Elementor Pro feature. Head over to the link in the description. Buy the plan according to your need. Go to dashboard, go to plugins, add new, click on upload plugin, and choose the downloaded zip file. After you've done installing, go to Elementor, go to settings, go to experiments, scroll down and you should see scroll snap. Click on active and then save changes. Let's head back to our website and start adding scroll snap. Click on edit with Elementor and let's get started. Go to the setting and go to advanced and you should see scroll snap. Click on enable. When we enable the scroll position has been set to top, so my section will all appear at the top whenever I scroll. As you can see, whenever I scroll, each section is driven towards the top and stays there for some time. If we set the scroll position to center, as you can see, whenever I scroll, each section, whether big or small, is set to the center whenever I scroll. As you can see, and the last one is bottom, so whenever I scroll, each section is driven towards the bottom first and stays there for some time before I scroll to the next section. As you can see, then there is scroll padding. So in case you have a sticky header that might overlay your content, we use scroll padding. So with scroll position set to top, let's add some scroll padding. So as you can see, whenever I add some scroll padding, the top portion is moved down a bit to about 62 pixels because I set it to. So whenever there is the top position set as snap position, my scroll padding will activate. My scroll padding will be added to the top. Then there is scroll snap stop. So whenever I'm scrolling, I can just skip on to the next section just like this. But in case I don't want the users to skip this section, I will choose the scroll snap stop to always. So it will always stop at each section. Now that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Like if you find this video useful and subscribe. Thank you.